Yes, there's a fridge. Pellegrino and Panna is in there. I don't know if those are included or not, so I'm going to ask the steward before I open them. But as I told you, I purchased my expensive Dasani water. And the reason I have to tell you guys, so I don't like Dasani. Let me see. The source is supposed to be on here, but I don't know what the rules are in Florida, but in Connecticut, where I'm from, you have to disclose the water source. This does say it's been enhanced with minerals for taste. Pure quality water should not have to be enhanced with anything. It's a product of America, which may be kind of, a thing within itself. And these are the things that they added to it, claiming that it's to, like I said, enhance the taste, but it doesn't tell you what the water source is. So that is concerning. But like I said, in my state, they must tell you what the water source is. Now, whether they're lying to you about the water source or not is one thing, but this is usually from a municipal water source, and it's supposedly been filtered and had other type of osmosis treatments, and as you can see, things added to it, and that's what this is. But actually, it does say purified water. So it tells you it's purified. So this is the same water you can get out of the sink in your home, run it through your purifier a couple times, crush up some magnesium sulfate tablets and whatever else, potassium and this and that, and you'll end up with Dasani.